My name's Jim Northey, and I'm a Senior Vice President of Strategy and Research here at Itiviti. And amongst my other responsibilities, I'm the Global Technical Committee co-chair for the FIX organization, which is a standards body made up of about 400 companies globally. And FIX is used in 170 countries by about 30,000 organizations. It is the language of trade. And what we're here to talk about today is a new standards initiative that Itiviti's been participating in, and that's named FIX Orchestra. And if you think about what an orchestra is that you take all the pieces working together in combination for a seamless performance. And what you hope comes out of that is a resounding symphony. And so what does orchestra do, and why did we create it? FIX Orchestra really came about because the FIX specification, although probably one of the most successful financial technology standards in history, was very loosely specified. As a standards document itself, it's really a poor quality. We say we have one of the largest adopted standards with one of the poorest written standards document, which has invariably led to a lot of different interpretations of the standards, a lot of different implementations. And what FIX Orchestra seeks to do is actually provide a definition for a particular use of FIX. And when we normally describe a FIX service, whether it's from an exchange, a sell side, or say a buy side OMS, we do that by using what's called a rules of engagement. That's a document that describes what the messages are, what the message content contains, what types of orders are supported, what times of time and force are permitted, and all of that makes up the rules of engagement. In the current state of FIX right now is we have a number of variable implementations. Rules of engagement documents are often written in human readable text in a Microsoft Word or a PDF document, and it requires quite a bit of manual intervention to actually use one of these and implement a FIX service. FIX Orchestra tries to encapsulate all of the rules of engagement as a machine readable, machine actionable document to automate the process of connecting up various counterparties. And we do that by defining the messages, the scenarios, and also the responses that can be expected. And within FIX, if you were to take even such a simple case of equity order routing, something we've been doing in FIX since 1994, you'll see that a response to a new order message, in the simplest case, you could get back an execution report, you could get back a session reject message, a business message reject, and the rules and when you're going to expect each one of those responses is not well defined. And Orchestra seeks to do that by providing a machine readable description of a FIX service that people then can use for things such as defining the service, doing testing against the service, certifying your counterparties. Also, it can be used in the ultimate extreme in terms of configuring an order management system, an execution management system, or a FIX gateway automatically based on the FIX Orchestra definition. And what we think that, given the pressures that we're all faced following the credit crisis in terms of increased operational efficiency, lower IT budgets and spending, quicker time to market as the market structure changes, that FIX Orchestra is going to be one of the important components that allows us to do the next level of automation and to take the FIX standard up to the next level. FIX Orchestra right now is under development by the FIX organization, and the one great thing about FIX is a couple of years ago we changed our technical standards process where anybody now can participate and to help us develop the FIX standard. All of our standards are under development, are available on GitHub, so you can just go out and Google GitHub for FIX Trading Community Orchestra, and you'll be taken to that page. And we're now at release candidate 3 of FIX Orchestra. It's very usable. At Itiviti, we're doing our initial implementations with it. We hope other people will be doing so as well. And it really is ready now for people to start adopting and participating. And if you're interested in working with us, please contact one of your Itiviti representatives, and we can help get you involved in the standards process and also start to discuss ways that Orchestra can help you in terms of improving your own operational efficiency and reducing your time to trading.